Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing another hair tutorial for you guys. I'm going to be straightening my hair. Now before we get started, I just want to say that this is what I'm starting with. And my ends are not trimmed at all, so they're gonna look horrible. Yeah, so I'm taking down this scarf that I used to sleep in, just so that my edges wouldn't get frizzy or anything. And I blow dried my hair prior to doing this, obviously. I just didn't record because everybody blow dries their hair differently. I just use a paddle brush and a regular blow dryer without the comb attachment, so I didn't feel the need to show that. But I'm starting off on blow dried hair, and I'm going to be using this titanium styler flat iron. This is Red by Kiss, I guess. I'm going to be using this and also this little one. I don't know what the name is, but it's an old flat iron, but just a smaller flat iron to get my roots. So I'm starting off with my famous 4 parts, and to do that I'm just gonna split it down the middle first and then section off the other parts. So now that I have sectioned off the rest of my hair, I'm going to be starting off with this back section first. And as I'm doing my hair, I'm going to be using a rat tail comb as well, but I don't use the rat tail comb to part my hair. I just use my finger because I don't need straight or exact parts. So I'm taking a small section in the back first, and I'm going to clip up the rest of the hair. So I start each section by taking the hair, combing it, and then using my small flat iron to straighten my roots. So as I was saying, I use the small flat iron for my roots because my hair is very curly, and I just want to make sure that it's as sleek as possible, because if my roots are puffy and then like the rest of my hair is straight, it just doesn't flow, it doesn't look right. So that's why I use the small flat iron first. I do a couple of passes until it feels straight enough to me. I don't have an exact number though. Just whatever feels right, I guess. And then once I use the small flat iron, I'll go over it with the big flat iron. So if you straightened your hair before and you used the chase method, you're probably wondering why I'm not doing that when I have a rat tail comb. I don't know why I didn't do it for this little piece. Probably because it was already straight enough and it was, detangled. But I did use the chase method for the rest of my hair. So if you guys don't know what the chase method is, it's basically where you take your flat iron that you're using to straighten your hair and you chase it behind a rat tail comb. So you basically comb your hair while you're flat ironing it, if that makes sense. Like I said, I did the chase method, so there is going to be a clip so you guys can see exactly what I mean if you didn't understand how I explained it in words. So again, just taking the small flat iron, I'm going to straighten my roots first, make it as sleek as possible, and then I'm going to go over it with my big flat iron. So here's an example of the chase method. So I have the rat tail comb in front and I have the flat iron behind it. And now it's kind of easier for me to do it in front of me, so that's why I kind of switched my positioning. So because I came on camera with my hair already blow dried, I'm going to share with you guys what I actually put in my hair. So I don't put too many products. I just applied this Garnier Fructis oil before I blow dried each section of my hair. This oil is very, very, very lightweight, and that's what you need when you are doing a silk press like this, because you don't want your hair to be stiff or any of that. So you want some type of oil, but nothing that's going to weigh your hair down or make it, you know, just stiff. So I love that oil. It's a great oil. I use it every time I flat iron my hair. And it's actually kind of moisturizing. Now the whole straightening process and wearing your hair straight isn't a moisturizing process at all, but adding some type of moisture can help. I also want to note that as you're flat ironing your hair, make sure you flat iron in the direction that you want your hair to lay. So the reason why I did the 4 parts is because I wear my hair in the middle part when I straighten it, and so when I get to the top, I start flat ironing the hair straight down, if that makes sense. So kind of how it'll lay once everything is flat ironed. So I completed the first side, and this is what it looks like. Yeah, I told you I need my ends clipped so bad. Oh my god. So when I'm done the first side, I just take the front section and go over it one more time so that all of the hair just, you know, lays together and everything is smooth. I'm not really bumping the ends. I'm just, you know, slightly adding a little bit of, I don't know what you call it. Like, you just want to slightly, not even curl, because it's not a curl, but y'all know what I mean. Okay, so now my hair is complete. I went ahead and did the other side off camera just to save time, and this is what it looks like. So it's nice and straight. Again, ignore my ends. They are so raggedy, and I actually end up cutting my own ends. Well, not cutting, but I end up giving myself a trim when this video was over because I couldn't take it. They are so bad, but my hair has grown overall, so I'm really happy. It's a little quick length check for you guys. If you guys want me to start doing like length check videos, let me know, because my hair has definitely grown from being in protective styles and just a whole lot. So this is what it looks like. Nice and silky and straight. Okay, so despite my ends, I know it looks all cute and everything, but we're almost done. So the last step is just to take your small flat iron and go back over your edges, make sure all of your edges are sleek and straight, and you're done. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys next week. Thank you for supporting. Love you guys.